Hello student, I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you poem 3 that name is The Quarrel. Quarrel means fight. In this poem we will learn how the brother and sister fight together. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other, and it is very common situations. Many times they quarrel with each other without any reasons, and their quarrels begin over very small petty issues. And how, with a small kind act, the quarrels end. That means we have already know that all the brothers and sisters are fight together, and that is quarreling. But their quarrel is very sweetly and very beautifully. So, in this poem, we will learn about this. It is a common for brother and sister to quarrels, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. That means sometimes they are quarreling, but sometimes they also don't know why they're quarreling to each other. But how long do such quarrel? Now we will learn. So now let's start our poem. I quarrel with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, and the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So he says that I quarrel. That means I fought my with my brother, and I don't know what about it. मतलब कि here talk about the girl. The girl don't know what which reason they fought together. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell. The start of it was slight means when we start to quarreling it was very small, very modest, and the end is very strong. He said, that means my brother says he was right, but I knew, that means sisters knew that his brother was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black, and suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. That means we hated one another. That means we are not like to each other that time when we are quarreling. The afternoon turned black. Turned black, that means unpleasant. It becomes unpleasant. Why? Because when we are fighting together, we are not talk to each other. That time the afternoon turned black. And then suddenly my brother thumped me. Thumped me matlab, then suddenly my brother thumped me, hit me on the back and said along. And then he said that we can't go on all night. Matlab, we are not doing fighting and quarreling to all night, because finally we both are love to each other, care to each other, and I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. And I feel that I was wrong and he was right. So students, in through this poem we learn that generally brother and sister always quarrel with each other without any particular topic. I hope you all the understand this poem. Thank you.